Hello guys, do you know how to add image, table, drawing, chart and footnote and many other things in your Google Docs? Just open your Google Docs. Here you can see insert, just click on insert. If you want to add image, just click on image. You can upload from your device and also you can search for it. For example, just click on the image. Yeah, it's added here. Okay. Next, we are going to show you how to add tables. Just click on Insert. Here, click on Table. Select the rows and columns that you want according to your number. Okay, just click. Now it's added. Okay, done. And next one is if you want to add drawings, just click on Drawings. You can upload from your Google Drive or just add new one. Here, if you want to draw a lane, you can draw a lane. Okay. If you want to add shapes, you can add shapes. Okay. And you, for example, you can also change the color. Okay. If you want to add image, you can also add image. Yeah, it's uploading. For example. Okay, now it's done. The next one is if you want to add chart, you can select the whatever chart you want, bar chart, column chart, line chart, pie chart. For example, I want to add pie chart, just click on pie. Yeah, it's added. You can resize it. Okay. And also if you want to add header or footer, you can add here. Footer also you can add the footer, and also if you want to add page numbers, you can select whatever model you want. Just okay. And also you can add links, comments. If you want to add anything into your Google Docs, just click on insert. You have many options. You can add whatever you want. Okay. Thank you.